Okay, guys, so now I'm here where we basically for those that would like to print homes without that will have a sound isolator. Actually, this is the experiment. This is the 3D printed walls. Like if this was the house, and you need a sound isolation, and maybe you want to isolate sound of the other room from another room. Now, we're gonna do an experiment here. Here with me, I have Alexei here with me. I'm gonna put him on the picture. You guys will see him. So now we want to actually show you guys how this technology has been able to isolate sound. Does especially for churches, especially for studios, houses that would like to print with this technology and also have sound isolation. Instead of going to buy sound isolation, you can build with this 3D printer, and then the material and everything will help to isolate sound. Now I'm gonna tell Alexei to play for me. Now here you can hear how loud it is. Now that's how it is. We can hear it. Now watch what happens. Nothing. Still playing. Wow. 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 This is an amazing technology.